Lope. Bigyan po natin ng palakpak si Engineer Lope. I would highly recommend for the chapter to have a part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for this presenter. Sir Lope, you have to prepare next presentation, sir. Sir Lope, kindly please stay here on the stage. And I would like to call on our 2017 chapter president, Engineer Ardel O. Aguas.
Hindi mo pwede.
By the way, I would like to recognize that every year CRCSA has an achiever. And this year, last year 2018, we have again an achiever in the name of your 2017 chapter president, Engineer Ardel Aguas, the 2018 most outstanding electrical practitioner, IIEE, in the field of project management.
Iumo muna po.
Sir, please stay here. Would like to read the citation. For our plaque of appreciation is presented to Engineer Lopelino L. Pinatakan, PE, in recognition of his invaluable support to the chapter as resource speaker for the topic Safe Switching Procedure for Medium Voltage 13.8 kV Alternating Current of CRCSA's 2019 First General Membership Meeting with technical seminars held on the 11th day of January 2019 at the Crown Plaza Hotel, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Signed, Engineer Julius Cesar Mundia, PE, our chapter secretary. Engineer Nelson J. Tenorio, PE, our chapter president. And of course, the VP Technical and Project Manager of this event, Engineer Luis Javier, PE. Sir.
May namaril ng ibot, tinamaan.
Warm applause please for Engineer Lopez. Highly recommended po ang inyong topic, sir, and the way you presented is an excellent job. Well, before we proceed to the awarding ceremonies, we would like to call on first one of our friends,